This video is brought to you by IXL, used by millions of students worldwide to get ahead in math, English, and more.
Hello students, let's do some counting. In these suns, let's fill in numbers by counting by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in these clouds, let's fill in numbers by skip counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. Skip counting is a way to count things in groups instead of by ones. Let's try it with some pictures. Here are some apples in a tree. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 apples in the tree. Here are more trees with apples. Since each tree has 10 apples, we will skip count by tens to count all the apples. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. There are 60 apples. Here's a group of leaves. There are 10 leaves. And here are more groups of leaves. Each group has 10 leaves, so let's practice our skip counting again and count all the leaves. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. We counted all the groups, so we know there are 50 leaves. Time for one more. Look at this block tower. There are 10 blocks. Here are more block towers. Each tower has 10 blocks. We can use the towers to help us count. Let's skip count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Wow, that's a lot. 100 blocks. Great job skip counting by tens.
Head over to IXL.com for more practice on this skill and thousands more videos in math and language arts.